Botox near me at the Greek Theatre. What are the types of non-surgical treatments? Botox and fillers are two of our most popular treatments. Botox is used to relax the muscles under the skin, resulting in a more defined nose, cheeks, forehead, and jawline. Fillers are used to restoring lost volume in the lips or cheek areas, giving you a plumper look that appears younger. Our med spa staff is happy to talk with you about our various treatments and answer any questions you have. Botox is a minimally invasive procedure that can help you regain your youthful appearance. Fillers are used to restoring lost volume in the lips or cheek areas, giving you a plumper look that appears younger. Our med spa staff is happy to talk with you about our various treatments at Skin Tightening, Botox, and Lip Fillers by Skinsation LA. How often do I need to come in for Botox? We normally advise Botox sessions every 3 months. Every 2 to 4 months, your body's metabolism may significantly affect how long your Botox injection can last, so if you're unsure of when to schedule your next appointment, we advise scheduling a consultation. Skinsation is a medical spa specializing in Botox treatments and other cosmetic procedures. Our office is conveniently located near the Greek Theatre. Visit or call us for an appointment today.